Hey, yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to give you a rap. My name is JK and I'm going to blah blah blah. Just kidding. I'm about blowing up my top. I can't rap, but what I can do is tell you why investing in real estate is important. I think this should have been one of the foremost things we were taught in school. We should have been taught on how to invest, especially investing early, not at this later stage in our life that we now are just learning to just go about these things. But better late than never, right? Yes. So it is important. Invest in real estate. It serves many purposes. It helps you. It helps you live a well-balanced and budgeted life. It helps cut away any form of wastage. Yes. You get to identify what you need and what you want, what is most important to you and what can wait. Your future cannot wait. You have to plan for your future right this minute. So setting money aside to invest in things that would improve your lifestyle 5 years, 10 years down the line is of utmost importance. I have investment in real estate, so I'm not just trying to sell you or sell the idea of you investing in real estate. It will help. It may not be immediately, but in the long run it will help. Start investing in real estate. It is important. And secondly, I love architectural building, photography, nature park, walking. Those are the things that it releases some endorphins into my mind. It allows me to relax, visualize, be in a state of rest. I think for me it's a form of exercise. Architecture, watching buildings that are massive, and part-time photography. Yes, those are the kind of stuff I enjoy doing as a person. What do you do? How do you unwind? Do you just stay on the couch like a couch potato and binge watch on Netflix or any sort of videos? Enjoy this life while you can. We only have one life to live, so enjoy it. Take a stroll in the park. If there are no parks in the area where you live, just take a stroll around the environment. Live life. Live in the moment. That is what it's all about. I hope this helps. Cheers, guys. And I'll be seeing you in some other videos. Bye.